Hello children, myself Dharmendra Kumar. Today I am going to teach you chapter 6 in science. The topic is parts of a plant. Parts of a plant. Children, we know that plants have different parts and mainly the parts of plant are divided into two parts. The two main parts, first part is called shoot and the second part is called root. Children, shoot grows above the ground and root grows below the ground. Shoot has some parts, sub-parts also, like bud, flower, branches, fruits, leaves and stem. Children, stems gives the support of a plant to grow upright, and leaf is very important. It prepare food for the plants. It prepare its food itself in the presence of sunlight with the help of chlorophyll. In this process, leaves take carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and water and minerals and prepare their food in the presence of sunlight. In this process, it releases oxygen gases and water vapor also. And now I am going to detail you next part, branches. Branches carry the leaves, buds and fruits of a plant. We know that fruit is very necessary, and we know that how fruits develop. First of all, flowers grow and it looks beautiful, very effective, and after that it grows into fruits, and fruits have seeds inside it, and seed has tiny plants and its food also. The next part, root. Root grows below the ground, and the main part of the root, there are two types of root. First is taproot and the second is fibrous root. Taproot has a main root, grows from the end of the stem and has many small roots also, and fibrous root. Fibrous root is a number of roots grows from the end of the stem, like grass, wheat, rice and onion have fibrous root. Fiber like roots, but taproot has a main root and some small roots grows from it. The function of root. You know that all the parts of plant have different functions, different works, as well as root have some works. Root takes water and minerals from the soil, passes to the stem and branches of the plant. It also and root have some special works. Also, some roots store food, that is called modified root, like turnip, radish and carrot. It store food. A stem gives support of a plant to keep upright branches. Some stem are woody, that's why they are very strong, like mango tree, neem tree, but some are green and very soft. They need support to grow upright, like grapes, money plant also. A stem has also some special work. Some stems also stores food, like sugar cane. That's why it is called modified stem. After that, detail you about the leaf. Children, we know that leaf is very important for a plant. It prepares its own food. It breathes and give out extra water and vapor. Some leaves also stores food, like spinach, cabbage and lettuce. They store food in its leaf. And after that, I will detail about the flower, fruits and seed. Flower turns into fruits and fruit has seeds. Some fruits have many seeds. Some has one seed like mango, and some fruits have many seeds like papaya. Seed has a tiny plants. It also grows into a big plant after getting the proper climate. Children, that's all. Thank you.